How to find someone's birthday on Snapchat 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. So in this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you how you can find any user's birthday on Snapchat. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Snapchat, okay? And now once you're in your Snapchat, you're going to come up to your chats. Now, let's say, you have all these users. Now, if you want to find someone's birthday, you're just going to go on them and you're going to click on their profile over here. And once you do that, obviously, if they have not added their birthday, then there's no way that you can see it. But if they have, then you could just come here on the left hand side. And as you can see, they have this balloon with their name, which says, 30th June. And if you click on this, the fun thing is that it gives you a proper history section where it like tells you everyone's birthday that is upcoming. So you can see I have all these friends who have birthdays upcoming in all these days. So pretty great and pretty amazing stuff. And you can also find someone's zodiac sign if you want to. So yeah, that is how you can find someone's birthday on Snapchat. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.